UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres has called COVID-19 the greatest test that we have faced together since the formation of the United Nations. This pandemic is an important reminder that no nation, no business, no individual is stronger than the weakest among us in our interdependent world. The United Nations Global Compact Leaders Summit is a virtual event on the 15th and 16th of June. For 26 hours, we will be chasing the sun and convening hundreds of business, UN and civil society leaders for a global and local conversation about how we can build more inclusive economies and societies. You can listen to and interact with 200 expert leaders, engage with more than 15,000 attendees from more than 100 countries, video chat one-on-one with like-minded professionals, and visit our virtual expo hall as sponsors and UN partners host their own sessions, live chats and Q&As. We look forward to welcoming you to this important conversation on how we can recover better, recover stronger and recover together. Please register today.